Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a DApp to Trust Wallet. This process is quite simple and opens up a world of decentralized applications right from your mobile device. Trust Wallet provides a secure and user-friendly environment for managing your digital assets and interacting with various DApps. We will walk through the steps to ensure a smooth connection every time. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. At the bottom of your screen, you will see several icons. Tap the one labeled Browser or DApps. This built-in browser is specifically designed to provide a secure gateway to decentralized applications, ensuring a seamless and protected experience as you explore the decentralized web. It's your direct portal to the DApp ecosystem. Once in the DApp browser, type the exact website address of the DApp you wish to use into the search bar at the top. After the DApp loads, it will typically present a Connect Wallet button. Tap this, and Trust Wallet will ask for your confirmation to connect. Always review the connection details carefully before approving to ensure security and privacy. With your wallet successfully connected, you can now fully interact with the DApp, performing actions like swapping tokens or participating in governance. Remember to always double-check all transaction details before confirming anything to protect your assets. When you are finished, it is good practice to disconnect your wallet from the DApp for enhanced security. This ensures your wallet remains private.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.